Hello everybody, Crazy Canuck again, coming at you from Saskatchewan, Canada. This is a follow-up video to yesterday's video on the practical use of Brix. I had a comment on my last video asking if I would test the apples that McDonald's uses. So, first of all, I'd like to encourage everyone to buy a refractometer and check all the food that they're eating in their area from their stores, or what they're growing in their gardens, because it's going to be different everywhere. So I went to McDonald's. I had to buy a Happy Meal to get the apples. Here they are. So we're gonna check, and as a review, on yesterday's video, there was 3 apples, 2 were at 13 Brix, and 1 was at 14 Brix. So now we'll check McDonald's and see how they do. So again, we'll just squeeze a little bit of juice. Make sure that's clean. Always make sure your equipment's clean before you use it. Throw a couple drops on there. We check it. And hopefully that'll get that to focus. And we're looking at around 10. So compared to what we had yesterday, McDonald's is the lowest Brix of the 4 apples that I've checked. And that is it for this short video, a little update. Keep watching the videos. I hope you get something out of them. Subscribe if you haven't, like if you like, and we'll talk to you soon. Talk to you later from the Crazy Canuck.